The Tile Roofing Industry Alliance presents the tile ratio and how it's used in high wind calculations using the 6th edition High Wind Installation Manual. Tile manufacturers make a variety of different sized tiles, and the tile ratio is an easy way to adjust the wind uplift calculations for different sizes of tiles. The tile ratio values are typically close to the number 1. Larger tiles have higher numbers, and smaller tiles have lower numbers. They are determined from each tile's tile factor. The tile factor is the portion of the equation to determine the overturning moment, and is represented here, shaded in red. B times L with a little a, or L sub a. B is the exposed width of the tile, L is the total length of the tile, and L sub a is the lever arm of the tile, defined as 0.76 times the length of the tile. Multiplying these together, these measurements and measured in feet, gives the tile factor. The TRI tables are based on a tile factor of an older design of tile still used in some parts of the country. Tejas España and Villa concrete tiles made by Boral in Texas are of these original designs, and as you can see, the dimensions here provide a tile factor of 1.407 cubic feet. Smaller tiles have smaller tile factors, and larger tiles have greater tile factors. To get the tile ratio, you simply divide the tile factor for the tile that you're designing for by the TRI standard tile factor of 1.407 cubic feet. Here are some examples of small and large tiles. A smaller tile, Boral's Galena, is only 9 inches wide in its exposed width, multiplied by 17 inches after converting those into feet, to get a tile factor of 1.144. And dividing that by the standard tile factor from TRI of 1.407 gives a tile ratio of 0.813. Similarly, with Crown's Iberia tile, that's much larger and with an exposed width of over 12 inches and the same length, we get a tile factor of 1.541 and a tile ratio of 1.095. So we'll take a look at these examples to see, why does tile ratio matter when calculating uplift pressures and overturning moments. If we look at one roofing square, an area of a roof that's 100 square feet, and compare how many fasteners per square when we use 2 fasteners per tile. If we have a small tile, like Boral's Galena tile, it has 111 tiles per square. If we had 2 fasteners per tile, that means that we have 222 fasteners in that roofing square, or 100 square feet. Compared to the larger Crown's Iberia tile that has only 85 tiles per square, when also using 2 fasteners per tile, then we only have 166 fasteners per square. So using 2 fasteners per tile for different tiles is not always the same. It doesn't give the same uplift resistance. So a small tile would have significantly more resistance than a larger tile, unless we use different numbers of fasteners per tile, or different types, such as screws compared to nails. If you have any questions, please contact the TRI at tileroofing.org, or you can contact any one of the tile manufacturers by doing a web search for their name and finding their contact information. Thank you very much.